Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today we're going to show you on how to add page numbers in Canva. So first and foremost, you need to know that you have to do it manually. So it means that there's no clickable button here where you can automatically add page numbers to your presentation. So the first thing that you'll need to do, okay, I will going to have a blank presentation here and then go to the text option at the left side and then click on add a heading. So we're going to delete these words and replace it with a number one since this is the page one. Okay, and then drag it to the bottom left corner or bottom right corner. So for me, I'm going to put it here and then resize the page number. And you can also change the font style of your page number. So it is according to your wants, and you can also change the color. So just do your thing to explore. So now to have a page number same location to your next pages, you just have to duplicate the first page, of course. So just click on these three dots here at page number one and then click on duplicate page, and then you can see here the page number two. So you just have to click on the font or the number and then change it to number two, and then go to the three dots again, then click on duplicate page, and then just do the same to page number three, change the number to number three, and when you go and then try to present your presentation, you can see the pages number change, but it is on the same location. Okay, that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.